Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves on harmonica. First, you'll want to get a 10-hole diatonic harmonica, ideally in the key of C, as many beginner resources use this key. Hold the instrument comfortably, allowing plenty of space for your lips to move freely. Concentrate on relaxed breathing and maintaining a deep, open mouth position to produce a clear, resonant tone. This foundation is crucial for playing any song effectively. Many iconic Sea of Thieves tunes, like Bo'sun Bill, Becalmed, and We Shall Sail Together, are perfect for harmonica. A standard 10-hole diatonic harmonica works well for most shanties, allowing you to capture their essence. However, for a richer, more accordion-like sound, similar to the in-game concertina, a tremolo harmonica can be an excellent choice. Both options offer unique ways to bring these pirate melodies to life. To learn specific songs, search online for Sea of Thieves harmonica tabs. Many resources provide note-by-note guides. YouTube is also a fantastic resource, with channels offering video tutorials and covers that often display the tabs on screen. As you progress, practice playing clear single notes and explore techniques like note bending and tongue blocking to add more expression and complexity to your playing, just like a seasoned pirate musician. Consistent practice is key to mastering any instrument, so dedicate regular time to your harmonica. Try playing along with the actual Sea of Thieves soundtrack or use backing tracks to develop your rhythm and timing. When playing in-game with your crew, remember that instruments sync up within a certain radius, allowing you to create a truly immersive and synchronized pirate band. Enjoy bringing your musical flair to the high seas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.